set up. So when you log on, you will see the page looking like this. If you want a flyer to create, if you want a logo, if you want a design to go on Instagram, everything is right here. For my students that I teach food, nutrition, and health, they come on this platform and they
Mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight to
you. Welcome to another video, and today we are going to learn the app Canva. Canva is a very good tool. It makes my life so much easier, and I'm sure it's going to make your life even more easier for you to use. All right, so let's go straight into the video. So I am in Google, and I'm just going to type the word Canva download. When I press Canva download, I go and download that app onto my phone. You go to log in right here, and then when you log in, it will ask you if you want to log in by using your Facebook account, your Instagram account, your Google account, any account that you have linked to your computer or your tablet or your device, you can use it. So I already log on using my Google account, so I am in. So I already have my account set up. So when you log on, you will see the page looking like this. If you want a flyer to create, if you want a logo, if you want a design to go on Instagram, everything is right here. For my students that I teach food, nutrition, and health, they come on this platform and they create their menu card and their placement card, and they're doing so much fun, and I am loving it too. So today I'm just going to show you just a little bit about this program, just a little bit. So I'm just going to go on an Instagram post. If, for instance, I want to post an Instagram post, I can choose a template, and when you choose a template, you are added to a page, right? So you can create your own page. The only thing with this though is because some of them you have to pay. When you see Pro, you have to pay. The one that say free, you can just use those free one and do all your advertisements, right? So I'm just going to say I'm going to use this one and say Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to use my siblings, so I can take this out. So I'm going to take this part out and leave it and say Happy Valentine's Day from, say, Marissa's Unique World. Right, I'm just going to put that right here, and then I can go over here, over at this right hand side. You will see some different options. You can create you can upload ideas from your computer or from your Gmail, anywhere. I'm just going to use Facebook. So let's go to Facebook here, and I'm going to choose a photo. So for instance, I'm going to choose my sister. I'm going to say Happy Valentine's Day to her. So I'm just going to put the photo at the top. All right, and then I can say I'm going to post my brother, and you can just shape it down to what you want. All right, looking for my other brother because I'm in trouble. All right, so I'm just going to post another photo of my other brother. So all of us are here. You can do it really nice. You take this down and you play along with it. So I want to post something for them today. So we actually get the GIF, right? And then you can add another page. You can do a PowerPoint slide. You can go to background. You change a different color right here. This is so amazing. You can do a lot of things by using this app. You can go to the text box. You can take over any little items like emojis and stuff. It's a good app to use to make your presentation really good. So if you want to make a poster, if you want to make a flyer, if you want to make a banner, if you want to make a birthday card, I can go on and on and on. And then here you go to download. When you go to download now, you have to save it as a JP, JP, JPG. And then when you save it, you go to download. When you press download, now you can save it to your phone or your device and everything like that, and then you'll be fine. Right? Save to your computer so you can have it. You can go and you save to YouTube. You can add to YouTube. You can add to Instagram and all of the information. This is a good tool to use. Make this be your best friend. This pandemic is not easy, and we want to make our life fun, and we want our children to have fun when they come to your class and say, oh my God, my teacher is doing very well. Or when you give the students assignment, they can be very creative by using this platform. Thank you so very much for watching, and I hope you learned something today because this is one of my favorites.